How's it going, guys? Taco Game here. Another day, another dollar. Beautiful day. Um, I mean, it's blue skies, but it has that feeling that it's cloudy and stuff like that, you know? But, I want to come over here to this little pond and see what's in it and see if I can see inside of it. Meaning, yes, I'm gonna put my GoPro in the water and hopefully I can, yeah, I just want to see what it looks like under the water, pretty much. But I'm put on my waterproof backing for this, and I didn't know if you were gonna be able to hear me once I close this. So, yeah. So if it sounds muffled, then that's just me closing it. But that's what I'm about to do right now. Put you in the water. Alright, still working. Try a different side. But if you can hear me, hopefully the picture came out clear under the water and stuff. Like overview of where I'm at. Yeah. Look at a big cloud and stuff. Got a little fish down right there. But yeah, I don't know. I had that idea for a while. Didn't know if it would turn out good or not. But finally decided to do it. Still dry. All right. But hopefully you can hear me now, and that's what it looks like in the pond. Hopefully this turned out clear. Um, because if not, I probably wouldn't be uploading this. So if you see this video, then that means it was at least decent enough quality that I was able to actually upload it. So yeah, this is Taco Game, just doing a little, I guess, nature vlog today. I don't know, it was interesting. Hopefully you can see what was in the water. There's like little fish or whatever in there, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I don't know, just enjoying nature a little bit. Anyways guys, this is Taco Game signing out. Stay humble, stay happy, live your life no matter what, don't give up, and like I always say, arrivederci.